First, welcome back to our new video. In this video we will show you how to fix a specific error in PUBG Mobile, and that error is called server to connection failed, please try again later. To solve this problem, first of all you have to go to your Play Store on your Android mobile, and if you use iPhone mobile then you can go to the App Store. Then just you have to search for VPN. You can search for any VPN you want, but I will suggest some specific VPNs for you guys, such as the Windscribe VPN, which is quite famous and it works almost 100% accurately. Then you can also use Turbo VPN. Don't use Turbo VPN Lite, rather Turbo VPN Pro or Turbo VPN is going to give you much better performance. Then another special VPN can be used to solve this problem, which is 1.1.1.1 VPN or warp or DNS. Anything you can use, anything can be used for your problem solving. You are free to use any stuff you want. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please apply this technique to solve your problem and it will work completely.